Hello everybody. Today's video, what I'm going to be doing is trying to replace a coupling for an airline. And if you don't know how to do it, just want to go ahead and show it off real quick. $2 grand, but this is the coupling. This is my airlines. All three airlines. I already got my replacement right here. It was about like $11. On this one, you can see that it has the actual size of the lines on it right here. This one don't necessarily do, but you can see that it does have like the same thing going on here, and airline's just leaking. So I'm going to go ahead and push this in and then pull it out in order to release it. You know what I'm saying? Try to push both of these in at the same time. That goes one. And push this in. There we go. And that's it. Clean this up a little bit. Go ahead and these two in. And that's it. So yeah, with that being said, so with that being said, that's all you have to do in order to go ahead and replace, little coupling right here. Just make sure you get the right size before you do it, and that's all. So hopefully this video helped you out, and I'll be back with another video pretty soon.